Hi friends, welcome to Technodays. Today we are discussing about 10th generation personal computer. This is 10th generation quad core 3.6 GHz processor with the maximum turbo speed 4.3 GHz. This is Intel LGA 1200 socket will be supported. Intel Core i3 10100 MB cache is there. Core i3 CPU are still a solid choice for gaming on budget PC. This is Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 3000 MHz memory. This is Asus Prime Micro ATX motherboard. The model number H410MA. The chipset is Intel H410 Intel chipset. LGA 1200 socket 10th generation Intel Core processor will be supported. Audio jack, LAN, USB 3.2 Gen Type A USB, HDMI, D-Sub, D-Sub-A, PS2 socket. This motherboard will support M.2 card. This board is protection 5x protection, multiple safeguard for all round protection is there. The audio Realtek 7.1 channel high definition audio supports. Input HDMI out is there. This board audio jack is dedicated audio PCB layers capacitors and premium Japanese audio capacitors is used for good audio shielding. And the memory up to 64GB DDR4 supporting. This is Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 3000. It designed for high performance overclocking and designed for great looks. And this board Digi Plus VRM delivers real-time control over voltage drops, automatically switching frequency and power efficiency settings. It also allows you to fine-tune your CPU for ultimate stability and performance. This is the LGA 1200 socket for which supports 10th generation CPU. Keep the socket CPU in a proper manner. If you are not aware of this, don't try to fix without a technician. If your socket pin bent on, your mistake can be harmful. Change your system. And put the thermal paste little bit for cooling the system. After that, keep it the cooling fan. This is normal cooling fan. If you are using multiple application or heavy applications, you have to change to the big thermal solutions. You have to see the properly inserted with the hole and keep it the pins properly on a proper manner and keep the memory on memory slot. This is 64GB supported, 2 slots are there. Check once more everything is did properly. After that, keep it in the case inside and connect the connectors to the hard disk and hard disk drive and CD drive, and keep all the connectors properly. And screw it. This PC actually converted from old computer to new computer. We are changing just CPU and motherboard and memory and power supply only. All other hard disk, case and CD drive will be same, and the external graphics also the same thing, 1 GB which was there, AMD Radeon. This is the power supply, Thermaltake Light Power 450 watt, which supports the latest generation motherboards. All types of power supply is not supporting for new gen motherboards. This Thermaltake Light Power Supply saves energy up to 80% efficiency. Embedded intelligent cooling fan delivery, excellent airflow at an exceptional allow noise level. This is 120 mm cooling fan. Screw it. This is 24-pin main power connector, ATX 12 volt. CPU cable 4 plus 4 pin, and SATA connectors 4 is there, and peripheral 4 is there, PCIe 2 pin are there, and floppy pin also there. This is the most powerful thing, and connect to the motherboard. Now almost it is ready. Then you have to install the Windows. This motherboard support Windows 10 64-bit operating system only. That's already finished. You have to start. That light is audio illuminated system LED. It's working. See, it's okay, everything is fine. Thank you very much for watching my video. HDMI port to TV I connected. Started. This PC is Core i3 3.6 GHz, 8 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.